Welcome, Health Warrior. Today we're going to show you how to prepare a delicious and nutritious raw plant-based snack or meal. It's going to be guacamole prepared with some avocado, with some raw pumpkin seeds, and some raw goji berries, along with some Himalayan salt and some chili flakes. Okay, so it's a delicious and nutritious plant-based snack. But we're doing a 21-day reset, a cleansing and detoxification program right now. And this meal or snack is legal during weeks 1 and 2 because it is so nutritious. But it also sort of mimics some comfort foods that we have in normal life when we're not in a 21-day reset or a cleanse type of program, right? So this actually will mimic like corn chips and guacamole. So like I said, it's easy to prepare and it's packed with nutrition. So let's get right on into it. So we're just going to cut the avocado in half. Okay, split it apart. Looks pretty good. You can see how nice that looks in there. Then we'll get rid of the seed, just like that. And then we'll remove the avocado, the meat of avocado from its shell. Okay, so that's easy enough, right? Do the same thing with this one. So I just, run a fork along the inside of it, and it pretty much gets everything. It's super simple to do. Then you just start mashing this stuff down, the avocado. You get a pretty decent smooth consistency going, So, something like that. You can go a little bit smoother if you want to, But that's pretty good. Just depends on your likings and stuff like that, right? Then we'll put in some Himalayan salt. And so the avocado has nutritious fats and fat-soluble vitamins, other vitamins and minerals. So it's very, very nutritious in and of itself. The Himalayan salt, it's actually very nutritious as well because salt in and of itself is a mineral. And Himalayan salt is unprocessed, and it actually has not just one mineral, it has all 84 minerals and trace elements in it. So super, super nutritious, and it's really good for your blood. Like it helps to give a negative charge to your blood cells, so they repel each other. So your blood flows through your body easier. It doesn't get gunked up and stuff like that. So really, really good nutritional benefits with Himalayan salt and avocados, right? So get that all mixed up in there. And then we just put in some pumpkin seeds to your liking. You can see these ones are super, super dark. These are from Europe, and they're a little special variety. It's a little darker, and the darker color signifies more mineral content. So they're more nutritious than the ones that you would typically find in the United States. So I just pour in, enough to cover on top, and then I'll mix it around a little bit. You get it in there so you can sort of see them in there. And you have to sort of experiment when you first start out with it, because you might like at first put too much because you think I want to get really crunchy. So start off lighter like this, and then taste it and see if that's enough consistency for you. And if you want more, then add more, because it's easier to add more than to take away, if you add too much at first. And then with the goji berries, this is another nutritional aspect too, right? So the pumpkin seeds, they are added in for the crunchiness. So it mimics the corn chip, like with the chips, like chips and guacamole. So when you bite into the guacamole, you get a crunchy sensation. So it gives you that comfort food kind of a feeling, but it's, super, super nutritious, right? The pumpkin seeds also have a good amount of minerals in them. The seeds and nuts are known for like healthy fats and health and having a ton of minerals, and that's why we eat them. And then the goji berries also have a ton of minerals in them. They have like 26 minerals and trace elements in the goji berries, plus some other nutrients in there, including a ton of vitamin C. That they say it has a ton of vitamin C as well. So so I just add that in there, and they have a little bit of a tart and slightly sweet flavor, you know, so it gives a little different aspect or dimension to the flavor of the guacamole. And then just mix it all together, right? And then we can't forget our chili flakes, because I just love hot stuff. But the chili flakes, this is actually Chiltepin chili. It's from Sinaloa, Mexico. And I usually get the habanero, but the woman was out of it. She comes like once a week from Mexico and sells like stuff from Sinaloa, Michoacan, and stuff like that. I usually get the habanero, but she was out of that, so I got the chiltepin. It's almost as hot, but not quite as hot as habanero, but so it gives a good punch. So the heat is I like it because I grew up with it. You know, my dad raised me eating hot sauce and hot peppers and chilies and chili flakes and all that kind of stuff. But there's also like curcumin and these other nutrients to give it the chili its hotness, right? And there's actually nutritive benefits in that. And the curcumin can actually attach to some cannabinoid receptors in your body as well, and has some pain relieving effects, and there's a bunch of different things, you know. So everything that's added in here has nutritive benefits, but it also is very, very delicious and nutritious, right? So again, it's like goes back to the thing where it's all about the minerals. You know, like we choose mineral-rich foods. Like if you heard me, like every one of the foods I mentioned, like I said, it had a ton of minerals in there. And usually, if you're able to, this is what I found over the years, if you're able to choose foods that are high in mineral content, like especially plant-based mineral content, because that's the ones you can actually absorb and utilize for good, then everything else falls into place, and you'll be like ultra healthy. You don't have to count calories, you don't have to do anything. And this is just one of those things that just proves it, and it's super, super delicious. You can see it has like crunchiness. And it's sort of cool because it has the crunchiness from the pumpkin seed, a little tiny bit of chewiness from the goji berries, and then the salt and the chili flakes, along with the flavor of the avocado for the guacamole. It's just amazing. It tastes super, super awesome. And like I said, that's why I say this could be a meal, because you could just eat this whole bowl all at once, or you could just snack on it throughout the day. Okay, so this is another delicious and nutritious meal. I call it delicious and nutritious wholesome goodness. If you have any questions about this, or questions about the 21-day reset, where we have 63 meal plans just like this inside of the program, then just look for the link in the description. Again, this is Al Marenton with My Fit Life and Movida and the 21-day reset. Hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.